Okay, so we start first. All right. Wow, guys, the number so few today. Semua orang busy trial ke? Sebab hari ni paling rendah tau. How come So weird. Today special day, is it? Okay, never mind. I think just the timing lah. Okay, we still start. Okay, guys. So we going to recap last week lesson. Okay, kita akan go to last week lesson. So okay, basically last week what we learned is on area. Okay, luas. Do you guys still remember what is the formula to count area, guys, using integration? Anyone know? What is the general formula that we use? Formula kira luas. Anyone can tell? If you don't have the symbol in your keyboard, it's okay. You just type out in Word. I'll understand. So what is the general formula? Anyone can share? Yes, menggunakan pengamilan. Actually got two formula lah, dua rumus, tapi satu cukup. So anyone want to share? How do I get the area, luas? Guys, you must respond a bit Kamu kena respond sikit. Okay, yes. Integrate X or Y value. Okay, yes. Correct. So basically, the formula is basically you are doing like this. This is the formula to count area. Ini adalah rumus untuk kira luas. Okay, guys. Is this the only formula to count area? Yes or no? Adakah ini satu rumus sahaja ada? Ataupun ada lagi? Is there any other formula to count area that you all know? Selain y dx. Okay, can. Trapezium also can. Rectangle, okay. One more. Square really we use in integration. Square is quite not common. One more common thing. Yes, area under the graph, correct. Okay, so we actually got one more formula. Satu lagi rumus. Guys, do you remember you can also integrate towards y-axis? Okay, this is the second possibility. So this is the second formula. Okay, kamu boleh kamikan terhadap paksi X or paksi Y. You choose either one you want to integrate towards. Okay, so it can be Y dx or X dy. D untuk apa? D ni ke kamu maksudkan? Oh, D itu adalah maksudnya difference, perbezaan. Okay, the difference in X, perbezaan nilai X. Itu maksud dia. Simbol D itu merujuk difference in English lah. Tapi BM kita masih guna simbol sama, dx. Okay? Okay guys, so actually dx represent difference, difference in X value or the change in X value. Yes, pengamilan, luas dan isi padu. Okay? Alright, so now guys, how to know which area is positive and negative when you do integration? Okay, so this is the complex thing. So now I'm going to show you a few examples how to know which area is positive, which area is negative when you do integration. Mana ada nilai positif atau negatif untuk pengamilan. Form 5 bab 3. Alright. Okay guys, so can you see this first graph? Cuba nampak graph yang pertama. Okay guys, can you see this region over here? The one I shade over here. So can I ask you all, if I integrate towards x-axis, kalau saya kamikan terhadap paksi x, can anyone tell me, will the area be positive or negative? Adakah luas saya positif atau negatif? for this one, the first one. Okay, very good. How about the second one? If I integrate towards y-axis, saya akan ambil terhadap paksi y, positif atau negatif? Tak negatif. It's still positive. Okay, both of it will be positive. Dua-dua nilai positif. This is what you must remember. Okay, so how to remember it? Very simple. Okay, guys. If I integrate, oh my god, terpadam tadi. Wait guys. Accidentally I go and rub. Okay, guys. If I integrate towards x-axis, kalau saya kamikan terhadap paksi x, the limits had saya akan ganti had dalam paksi x ataupun had dalam paksi y. Do I substitute the limit on x-axis or y-axis if I integrate towards x? Can anyone tell me? Dx. You integrating towards dx, you know. So if you integrate towards dx, the limits you use, is it the x value or the y value? Which one? You think and see the process that you do. Yes, you're actually using the x value, nilai x. Okay, guys, so check and see over here. Okay, x value, based on the graph, semua nilai x adalah positif. Am I right? Every single value is positive, no matter what. So means that nilai y yang saya akan dapat, based on the graph, you check and see, guys. Kamu akan dapat nilai y positif. Tak kira mana x kamu. Doesn't depend where the x is. You will still get positive y value. So do you understand now why the area is positive? Boleh faham? Based on the graph. Kamu lihat graph dia. So that's why the answer for this is positive. Understand? Boleh faham? So this is how we check and see. Kita tengok graph. So if you integrate towards x-axis, kami terhadap dx, kamu akan gantikan had x, the x limits. So x limit, kalau limit x sesuatu nilai, kita boleh tengok dari graph. You look at the graph. If x is this value, you will get y value is this one. If x is this value, you will get y value this one. So guys, these two y values over here, is it positive or negative? Can you all tell me? Adakah nilai-nilai y yang saya bulatkan positif atau negatif berdasarkan graf ni? Can you all tell? Yes, definitely positive lah. So that's why you get a positive area. Understand? Because we are integrating the y equation, kita kamikan persamaan y. So we are substitute the x value inside the y to get the value. Do you all see it? So that's why the area is positive. Same for x dy. If dy, the limit you substitute, is it on x-axis or y-axis? Had kamu untuk kamiran terhadap paksi y. Kamu gantikan had untuk paksi y ataupun had untuk paksi x. Mana satu? What do you all think? If it's dy. Dy means, yes, you follow the y lah. Maksudnya had kamu adalah untuk paksi y. So you substitute the y limits. So y limits, it can be anything. Maybe this one. So this value you get is a positive x value. Nilai x yang positif. So means that area will also be positive. Do you all understand, guys? This is the concept. Ini adalah konsep di belakang luas. So instead of memorize, selain daripada menghafal, cuba faham kenapa setengah kawasan positif, setengah kawasan negatif. There is a reason behind certain region positive and certain region negative. Alright? So any question for this first example? Do you all understand? Boleh faham 100% apa yang saya terangkan? If you understand, please comment. Boleh ya? Okay, second example. Okay guys, now I shift the region. Saya tukar kawasan. Can you all check and see and tell me, if I integrate towards x-axis, do I get positive or negative area for this kind of graph? Adakah saya dapat nilai positif atau negatif? Okay, some more lagi. Kalau saya kami terhadap paksi x. Use back the concept I told you all just now. Guna balik konsep tadi. Okay. Some more? The rest? Okay. So negative, huh? Paxi x is dx, right? Yes. Means we substitute the x limit. Okay. Wait, let me check. Just 1 minute. Let me just check back the concept, whether I get it correct or not. Okay. So this one, we are integrating towards Paxi x, guys. Careful, Negative is wrong, you know. You know why? You check and see. Dx, x limit. Kita akan gantikan had x kan dalam pengambilan kita. So guys, limit kat sini adakah dia positif atau negatif? Kat paksi x yang saya label. Cuba jawab. Is it a positive value or negative value for the x-axis based on my graph there? What do you all think? Yes. So guys, check and see. We are going to substitute these x values inside the y equation. Am I right? Kita akan gantikan nilai-nilai x ni dalam persamaan y. So guys, can you see your y value here? Is actually positive. No. If it's this one, right? You're asking this one, right? The right part. The right part will be negative. The left part, oh, correct. Left part is positive. Correct. All right. So this one is positive. This one is negative. Do you all understand? Boleh faham? Anyone still struggle here or not? I can explain one more time. Why? Okay. Which one you want me to explain? This one or this one? Left or right? Both. Wah, Wika dah faham. Nak tengok Wika boleh terangkan tak pada seluruh kelas? Okay guys, I repeat again. Just wait a second. Okay. So guys, I explained this one. Yes. But sometimes, right, guys, you can choose to integrate towards both area. Example, this situation, right? They ask you find the area of shaded region. Mereka suruh kamu cari kawasan berlorek. Saya tanya kamu, berapa kaedah kamu ada untuk cari luas? How many method you have? Yes, 2. Because kamu boleh kamikan terhadap paksi X ataupun kamu kamikan terhadap paksi Y. You have a choice. You can choose either x-axis or y-axis. So means that both method also can. Dua-dua kaedah pun boleh. Okay, so I explain for this one. X dy. So guys, kamikan terhadap paksi Y. Maksudnya, saya akan gunakan had ke atas paksi Y. I will use the limits on the y-axis. Can you all understand this first step? The first step is use y-axis limit. Okay, this one you can get it because we are integrating towards dy. Kita kamikan terhadap paksi y. Can? First step can or not? You all respond to me first. Because I don't want to explain everything, then you all blur already. Okay, first step masih boleh ya. Second step, y limit, we will substitute sub in equation. Do you all understand this? This is the process of integration, right? Kita akan gantikan had untuk nilai y dalam persamaan x kita jika kita kamikan terhadap paksi y. Boleh dapat? Can you get the second point? Okay. Third point, you have to check the x value. Kamu kena tengok nilai x. So guys, when y have all these values over here, what is your x value? Can you check and see? Is your x value positive or negative? Adakah nilai kamu positif atau negatif? Negative. So that's why your answer is negative. Understand? This is the concept behind it. Rather than just memorizing. Jangan hafal. Understand the concept. Alright? But when my area come out, when your area come out, question asks you area, right? You must change it to positive. Correct. All area will be positive, guys. What I talking now is the original area value that you get. Nilai asal luas kamu. Sebelum kamu bubuh modulus tu, apa nilai dari pengiraan? All of this explain that. Okay, but area generally, semua luas adalah positif. Tak kira mana kawasan berlorek. Because your area must be positive. Area is a scalar quantity. Okay, quantity scalar. So quantity scalar no need negative sign. Okay, it's just positive only. All right. So yeah. Okay, so now guys, if you understand this one, can you all tell me for y dx, will you get positive or negative? What is your answer? What do you all think for y dx? Untuk yang sebelah kiri, adakah kamu dapat luas positif atau luas negatif? Okay, means you understand lah. Kamu faham dah. Okay, why? Because x limit is negative. Am I right? Hard x adalah negatif. So kamu tengok kat graf. Kamu akan dapat nilai y positif. When you sub the x limit, which is negative, inside the equation, you will get a positive value in the end based on the graph, berdasarkan graph. Alright? So the answer is positive. Until here, do you get the concept, guys? Everyone here? After you try more example, you will understand. Kamu cuba lebih banyak contoh. Okay, you will understand. Trust me. Okay, see this example now. Can you all tell me for the first one, this one? Okay, saya ulang kat sini. Konsep sama saja. Kawasan saja berubah. Okay. Alright, so you all try to answer this part. Do you think it's positive or negative? Apa jawapan kamu? Guna balik konsep tadi. Use back the same concept. See? You all can understand already. Correct. Okay, the answer is negative. Alright. How about the right one, guys? This one, positive or negative? Yang belah kanan. Adakah kamu dapat nilai positif atau nilai negatif? Negative. Correct. Okay, you will still get negative. Okay, so guys, why is it like that? Can you check and see? Your x limit for this one, I explain. Saya terangkan yang ni dulu. Okay, so kalau kamu kata dx, kamu guna had di atas paksi x. So had di atas paksi x adalah negatif. Okay, so kamu buat macam ni. Kamu lihat, kamu sentuh lengkung tu, lepas tu lihat nilai y kamu apa. So guys, tak kira apa had kamu, kamu akan dapat nilai y yang negatif. Betul? Sebab lengkung tu berada di bawah kawasan negatif. Is in a negative region. So no matter what is your x limit, right? You will still get a negative value. So that's why your answer is negative. Boleh faham? So kamu lihat graf saja, kamu akan faham. Okay? So kamu buat macam ni. So tengok nilai kamu negatif. So jawapan negatif lah. Tapi ingat, kena modulus jawapan kat akhir. Jangan tinggal negatif. Don't leave your answer negative. Okay, so final answer always positive. Semua nilai ni yang saya terangkan adalah dari kameran sahaja. Proses kameran. Kamu dapat nilai tu sedang diterangkan kat sini. Sebelum kamu bubuh modulus tu. Untuk tunjukkan luas tu kena positif. So ini adalah nilai asal dia. The original value of area. Okay. Sometimes it's positive also originally. So kalau originally positive, no need to do anything lah. Tak perlu buat apa-apa. Tapi kalau originally negative, kamu kena tambah modulus. Sebab luas hanya boleh positif. Can you all understand, guys? This is the concept over here. Alright? So, are you all clear for these first three examples? Oh, when to add the modulus? Yes, only at the final answer. But got certain situation, later I will show you, especially when the graph cross different region like this. Then I'll tell you how to do it. Okay? So until now, we still involving one quadrant only. Satu quadrant saja. Later we will cross the quadrant. Then I will explain. All right? Certain situation, yes. Certain situation, no need. You have to check and see. There is no like one blanket rule. So you must just go slowly lah. Okay. So try and see, guys. How about this? Yang paling kiri dulu. This one. Will you get positive or negative? Okay, let's check and see. Yes, very good. You understand. Okay, the answer is negative. Okay, how about the right one? Adakah luas positif atau negatif? Okay, correct. Positif. Anyone here need explanation? Kenapa macam ni? Atau dah faham? Sebab masih sama saja penerangan dia. If no one got problem, kita proceed. Kalau tak ada apa-apa masalah. So anyone here? Dah faham? Okay, very good. So we direct try lah setiap jawab, setiap contoh. Okay, you try and see number 5, guys. Okay, now two region. Kita ada dua kawasan. Upgrade level already. So now, you tell for A first. Untuk kawasan A, kamu bagi tahu dua-dua. Mana positif, mana negatif dulu. You just tell one by one. Example like this one. For region A, will you get a positive value or negative value? Y dx negative, x dy positive. Okay, y dx negative. Untuk kawasan A tahu. Okay, x dy. Not both positive. See carefully. Yes, positive, negative. Okay, guys, the order is positive, negative. All right, so why? Try to check and see back. Okay, if you see over here, oh, no. Now only we talking about region A. We compare the same region first towards X and towards Y axis. Then we go for the B. Okay, so totally we got 4 different answers here because 2 axes plus 2 different region. So 4 answer total. All right. Okay, guys. So for Y dx, X axis, kamu tengok nilai Y positif. X dy, kamu lukis macam ni. Nilai X negatif. Okay. So that's why positive, negative. Okay. So now, how about region B, guys? Kawasan B. What do you all think? Untuk Y dx dan X dy, apa simbol dia untuk luas? Kamu guna konsep sama sahaja. Just use back the same concept. You will get the right answer. Okay, so anyone? This one is very easy. Yes, it'll be positive. Okay, because hard Y dan hard X, kedua-dua positif. So definitely jawapan akan positif. Okay, guys? So can you understand? So basically, if you compare vertically, right? Kalau kamu bandingkan secara melintang, Y dx. So guys, can you see that Y dx, A dan B akan positif. So maksudnya, kalau kita cari kawasan berlorek melalui kamera macam ni, confirm jawapan is positive. Do you all understand? Your answer 100% will be positive. So now I ask you, adakah kita kena guna modulus kalau jawapan kita confirm positif untuk dua-dua kawasan? Yes, no need. If both of the area is positive, no need modulus already. Okay, but now you see the second thing, second condition. Let's say saya kamekan terhadap paksi Y pula. I want to integrate like this untuk dua-dua kawasan. So you check and see. One is negative, one is positive. So guys, kita modulus yang mana? Yang kawasan A punya atau kawasan B punya? Mana satu? Yes. Always remember modulus the negative value. Correct. Can you get it, guys? So this is the reason why I say modulus tu sangat penting. If you don't use modulus, kamu akan ambil contoh lah. Let's say kawasan ni negative 36 luas dia. Yang ni 36. Okay, berdasarkan simbol tadi. Modulus tu kamu belajar kat form 4 bab 1. Do you all still remember guys? Fungsi? Yes. Ini yang maksud modulus. Dan akan ada nombor macam ni kat dalam. Modulus tu fungsi dia macam membuang segala simbol negatif. Okay, just take away the negative sign. Hanya positif saja tinggal. Okay, contoh. Let's say modulus negatif 3. So you will get 3. Understand? Dia hanya ambil nilai dia sahaja. Just take the value. Okay? So now guys, let's say lah, saya tak guna modulus. Okay, kalau kamikan terhadap paksi Y. So kamu lihat guys, negatif 36 tambah 36. What is your answer guys? Untuk luas? Kosong. Tak logik kan? Macam mana luas yang ni boleh kosong? How can the area be zero? So this is the importance of modulus. Lihat sekarang. Kalau saya modulus yang ni, berapa jumlah luas guys? What is the total area? Can you all tell me? If I integrate towards y-axis, it'll be 36 plus 36. Am I right? Kamu akan tambah 2 yang ni. So your total area is 72. This one is more logic. Can you all understand? Boleh dapat? So that is the importance of the modular sign. Alright? So any nilai pun sama. Tak kira apa nilai luas dia. Alright? So yeah. Okay, do you all understand this example? Boleh dapat? Concept and everything. Now getting more complicated lah. Dia datang more complex lagi. Wait guys. I just write back. Okay. Alright. Number 5 guys. Try and see. Sorry, number 6. For kawasan A, can you all tell me which one positive, which one negative? I just change the graph shape. Saya guna beberapa kombinasi lah. Different combination. So, kalau kamu study semua ni, definitely satu akan keluar lah bentuk graph macam ni. So, you will understand already. Easier. So, anyone? Apa luas dia? Okay? Alright. Wah, kamu terus jawab semua. Okay, we talk about A first. Okay, so for A, the answer will be yes. Okay, you will get negative. Correct. Okay, guys? So, yeah. Understand? Untuk kawasan A, should be alright, right? Okay, both is negative. But for kawasan B, right? If you check and see, paksi X ke paksi Y, you get negative. But if terbalik, paksi Y ke paksi X, you get positive. Do you all see it? So this is positive. Can you all understand, guys? So this is how you can get 4 different area from here. Alright? So one thing you must be careful is this part, guys. Bahagian ni. Bahagian ni, kena guna simbol apa, guys? Kita kena guna apa? We should use the modulus. Okay, very good. Because negative value, tak boleh tambah secara terus. Actually boleh lah, tapi kamu akan dapat jawapan negatif. So, kat akhir kena modulus juga to get a positive value. Alright? So, even for B, you still need to use modulus. Kena guna modulus because got negative value. Just like how I explained for this one. Exactly same concept. If you have negative, kena modulus. Although one symbol only. Okay? Can get it, guys? The concept and everything? Can. Do you all feel better now? Can understand better on this part? After trying all this example? That's why I say, guys, at maths, practice make perfect. Am I right? Feel better now. Why in inverted comma? This one very useful, you know, guys. Trust me, it will help you a lot. Rather than memorize, right? Which one is positive area, which one is negative area. You just use this concept, confirm correct, 101%. All right. So funny macam sick and then feel better now. Don't feel sick. I know admits make you guys feel sick. Am I right? Admits like that lah, but just try your best to cope with it. All right. Okay, so now guys, this one we change the position. Sekarang kita bandingkan on the y-axis. So guys, can you all try and see for kawasan A? Of course wajib lah. Dia akan keluar soalan wajib. Kertas 1 memang akan keluar. Kertas 2 dia boleh keluar bahagian A juga. So soalan wajib. Bahagian B pun boleh keluar. So tak tahulah mana dia keluar. Bukan. Part C dia hanya 4 topik. Kertas 2 bahagian C only 4 topik. Remember guys, index number, SOT, linear programming and kinematic. So bahagian B atau A sahaja. Kertas 2 pengamaran ni suka keluar. But don't know which one lah. Kita tak tahu. Alright? Okay? So first one guys, luas A. Can you all tell me which one positive, which one negative? Slowly. Slow and steady. Kalau siapa-siapa nak jawab terus also can. Okay, A negative negative. Okay, let's check. Okay, bukan negative negative tau. Satu saja negative. Y positive, X negative. Okay, Y positive. Let me check. Okay, Y positive. Okay, so if X axis, yes, Y akan positive because you have a positive value here. So means that your area will be positive for Y. Okay, so this one is positive. Okay, this one actually nothing. I should not write like this. Okay, just cancel it off. Okay, so X dy. For X dy, kamu akan gantikan had di atas paksi Y. Am I right? You substitute the Y axis. So you will get a negative value of X. So X akan negative for this one. Understand? So for luas A is positive negative. If you kamekan towards paksi X or paksi Y. Alright? So how about B guys? Do you think B, what is the order? Yes, very good. Because dua-dua had pun negative. Your y-axis and x-axis, the limit both also negative. So that's why your area confirm will be negative, no matter where you integrate. Alright? So this is the concept. Understand? We already done 7 examples for different type of graph lah. How to identify which area is positive and which area is negative. Alright? So clear? Until now? Can go on? After these examples, right, you all will feel like very easy already after this, after you try everything. Okay, so we go on to the next one. Okay, guys, for this one, can you all try and see A and B? First A, luas yang A dulu. Positive, negative, which one? Positive both of it. Very good. Okay, because A, kedua-dua had, both also is positive. So definitely area will be positive for A. All right. So how about B? Negative, positive. Okay, let me check. All right, very good. Okay, negative, positive. Correct. Okay, very smooth, right? You can feel very smooth also. So now, this last 4 question is for the graph on the same side. Do you all see this, guys? Soalan 5 sampai 8, semua graph dia di atas paksi sama. Can you all see it, guys? Same side of the axis. Sama sisi. Sama, macam mana nak kata? Sama belah lah pada paksi. Okay, so question 9 until 12, change. Now we go opposite side. So this is when it become interesting, guys. Okay, so first question I want to ask you. For this type of integration, right, adakah kita boleh kamikan terhadap paksi X? Yes or no? Adakah kita boleh buat yang ni? Okay, correct. Yes, we cannot integrate towards x-axis. Kenapa tak boleh kami terhadap paksi X? Because we don't know this value. Kita tak tahu nilai ni. If we don't know the value, we cannot do the integration. Alright? So, only terhadap paksi Y sahaja boleh. Okay, so you must tell me towards y-axis only. Okay, wow, so fast. Okay, positive, positive. Let me check and see. Okay, first one correct. And then dy positive. The second one, Angela, try again for the B. Your first one correct, Adi. First one positive is correct. The second one only. It should be positive, negative. Do you all see, guys? For kawasan B, right? We are using the Y limit. Kita guna hard Y. So Y limit, cuba tengok. You will get a negative X value. Am I right? Kamu dapat hard X negative. So that's why luas dia negative. Understand, guys? So the answer is positive, negative. Clear? Everyone clear on this? So don't confuse, guys. When the graph give you something like this, right? Tukar kawasan, it changed the region already. Make sure you use the modulus. Kena guna modulus, especially for this one, because negative area. Okay? So example, I show you. Let's say I give you some value. So guys, can you do this? Boleh tak saya terus kamikan negatif 3 sampai 3? Yes or no? Can I direct integrate if I have a positive value and negative value? Anyone else? Yes or no? Boleh tak saya kamikan secara terus negatif 3 until 3? Firas, first time you say yes, second time you say no. So which one? What is your final answer? Saya pun tak tahu sekarang. Okay guys, the answer is actually no. We cannot direct integrate. You know why, guys? Because if you direct integrate, you consider the negative value. You didn't modulus it. Can you see it, guys? Kalau kamu kamikan negatif 3 sampai 3, kamu akan ambil nilai kawasan ni yang negatif tambah dengan kawasan ni yang positif. Means you add the negative with positive without modulus the negative dulu. Kamu tak modulus kawasan B yang negatif luasnya. So guys, what should I do? If I cannot direct integrate, saya boleh pisahkan. Remember these rules, guys? You can integrate like this. Means you will modulus this value. Kamu modulus luas yang negative. This is when I say, guys, the modulus very important. Just now one person also asked, do we modulus every time or how? This is the example. Okay, can you see? Because the area of B is negative. So that's why we integrate separately and modulus one of it first. All right? So this is the concept. That's why very important to know which area positive, which area negative. Then only you know where to put the modulus. Kalau kamu tak tahu mana luas positif atau negatif, kamu tak tahu kat mana nak letak modulus tu. Alright? So make sure you know how to identify. Okay? Alright. So third last question, question 10. I changed the graph lagi sekali. Okay, so now I think all your mind already flexible, right? Semua minda dah macam what to say, very flexible with this kind of question already. So try and see this one for A first. Okay, so this one only one, so you can tell directly A and B because we only can integrate towards y-axis. Very open. Yes. Now your otak will be very fresh because you all continue to think positive, negative, positive, negative. So your mind is working very fast. Okay, so what's your answer, guys? This one, A and B. You tell A first, then you tell B. Which one positive, which one negative? Okay, so you say A is positive. All right, very good. How about B? Positive or negative? Very good. Very good. Okay, so positive, negative. Okay, so understand lah, because we can only integrate towards y-axis. Kita hanya boleh guna paksi y. So, paksi y, kamu akan dapat nilai x positif. So, area for A is positive. Okay, and then for B, kamu ada nilai y positif. So, kamu akan dapat nilai x negatif. So, that's why luas B is negative. Understand? So, this is the concept. Okay, all right. So now, okay, now I switch the graph one more time. Up and down now. Atas bawah. This is the second last already. I try all the combination with you all already. Semua kombinasi graph yang boleh keluar. Okay, so now guys, now we have two again. Sorry, one only. Now it's towards x-axis terhadap paksi x. So can you all try and see? Area A. One shot also can. You tell me A and B. Which one positive, which one negative? Okay, so A is negative, correct? How about B? B is positive. Very clear. Okay, correct. Okay, so one tips for you lah. Satu tips. Kalau graph tu kat kuadran 1 and kuadran 3, right? Sangat senang. Paksi X atau paksi Y untuk kuadran 1 mesti positif, untuk kuadran 3 mesti negatif luas dia. Tak kira kamu kame terhadap paksi X ataupun paksi Y. Sebab semua had kamu kat sini negatif, semua had kat sini adalah positif. Boleh faham? So senang nak hafal lah. Q1 always positive, Q3 always negative for area. Tapi Q2, Q4 kamu kena lihat kamu kame terhadap mana dulu. Baru kamu boleh tahu. Okay guys, can you get the concept? Means basically, right, after you try all these example, right, you notice one thing. Kamu sedar sesuatu. Kalau graph kat Q1, confirm 100% area positif. Kalau graph kat Q3, confirm 100% area negatif. Can you all understand this guys? Ini adalah kesimpulan selepas mencuba semua example ni. Alright? So, yeah. Okay, last one. Yang terakhir. Now is Q2, Q4. Yes, sukuan. Betul. Okay, so last one. Positive, negative. Which one? Hopefully more of you can answer also lah. Lebih banyak orang jawab pun bagus. Yang terakhir dah. Yang ni. Okay. So, yes. Positive. Second one. Okay. Yes. Okay guys. So, this is all the 12 example. 12 contoh untuk kamu faham. Yang mana positif, yang mana negatif. So, do you all understand guys? These 12 example I give you. Clear? Hopefully now you understand the technique lah. Because buku teks, dia tak cerita yang ni tau. They never explain this. Sedar tak guys? Kamu lihat buku teks tak ada terangkan yang ni. Mereka suruh kamu hafal saja. Am I right? Textbook only want you to memorize. Tapi tak faham konsep di belakangnya. So now I explain to you what is the concept behind it. Kalau faham konsep, tak perlu nak susah hati. Tak perlu nak perak otak. Why you want to waste your brain guys? If you understand the concept, you just look at the graph. Tengok graph saja kamu tahu. Okay? Kalau kamu hafal, let's say kamu lupa, habislah. Kamu perah macam mana pun tak dapat. Okay? So that's why concept important in maths. If you understand the concept, very easy. That's why all of you answer correct. What? Because you get the concept already, not by hafal. Okay? So, yeah. Very good. Okay guys, so we come back to the lesson now. More an example lah, soalan. Okay, so can you all see this example, this question? We discussed this last week already untuk last week lesson. So this week lesson bermula kat sini. Alright? Mencari luas. Maybe if got time, kita bincang volume lah. Alright? Then next week, revision dah untuk bab 3. Sebab isi padu adalah yang terakhir, the last part. Okay, so now, okay guys, like just now only, I explained to you already all these parts of the graph. So I won't ask again, saya takkan tanya lagi. So basically the question is, find the area of shaded region. Cari luas kawasan berloret. Alright, so if you see these guys, will you integrate towards y or x-axis? Kami terhadap paksi mana untuk soalan macam ni? Very good. Very simple. You just see where your graph stick at. Kat mana graph tu lekat. Kalau graph tu lekat kat paksi Y, kamu kami kat paksi Y. Okay, sama untuk paksi X. Alright. So formula, kamu boleh guna semua had ni. Just use all the limit. Okay. And then, adakah modulus penting kat sini guys? Do I need to use modulus for this question? Cuba lihat seluruh graf ni. Adakah akan ada simbol negatif? Okay, ingat kita kami terhadap paksi Y sekarang. We are integrate towards Y axis for both A and B. So you check and see. Any kawasan kamu dapat simbol negatif tak for area? Based on the concept tadi. Okay. Yes. Okay, you will get negative area. Which one negative? A or B? Very good. Okay, so make sure. Can I integrate direct guys? Boleh tak saya kami 0 sampai 5 terus? Can I use this method? Yes or no? Boleh buat tak kaedah ni? Very good. Okay, cannot. Means that you must separate the process. So that's why textbook also separate. Kamu kena kira berasingan. Okay guys. So just now you ask me, right? Where is the proof? Can you see guys? Luas kawasan B kamu dapat negatif originally. But kamu kena hanya ambil nilai positif. Then kamu tambah dua-dua nilai untuk dapat jawapan akhir. Can you see guys? So the concept tadi saya explain, make sense lah. Based on the concept, luas kawasan B akan negatif. Tak kira apa had kamu. No matter what is your limit, you should get negative value. See? I already get negative value. So the concept apply no matter what is your limit and no matter how your graph is. Alright? So, understand? I believe that proses kamera ni kamu tahu kamu tahu macam mana dapat yang ni. This one all no problem, right? Yang ni basic kamera tahu. Do I need to explain this one all? Perlu tak saya terangkan? I think you all know, right? Okay, so good. Make sure you all know the step. Integrate, gantikan had, kira nilai. 3 step. Alright? So, yeah. Any problem on this question? You want to ask me? I just ask just in case anyone there struggle lah. Kalau ada sesiapa struggle, kamu kena bagi tahu. Alright? Okay, so if none, I go on. Okay, next one. Okay, guys. So now we are going to look on how to count the area for certain type of question. Okay, so this one interesting a bit. Okay, so you focus on the first diagram first. Okay, guys. Saya nak tahu luas yang ni. I want to get the area for this. Tanpa lihat kat sebelah kanan, without looking at the right first, can you all tell me, how many method can you all have to find this area? Berapa kaedah ada? Area under graph minus area of trapezium. Okay, this is first method. Second method, there is one more method. Anyone know? There is a second method actually. Let's say, guys, I forget what is the formula for area of trapezium. Saya lupa dah luas trapezium. Yes, minus the area under the line. Always remember, guys, although you see a trapezium, if you forget formula for trapezium, tiba-tiba lupa, it's all right. You just integrate the area under the line. Kamu kamikan luas bawah, garis lurus tu. Kamu akan dapat jawapan sama macam luas trapezium. You will get the exact area. Understand, guys? So you got two methods. The first one is minus trapezium. Second one is minus area under the line. But of course, if you use second method, you must know the equation. Kamu kena tahu persamaan garis lurus dulu. Alright? Can get it? So this kind of concept is the one they like to ask in SPM. They will give you a floating curve. Okay, floating shaded region. So you must know what minus what plus what, all this concept you must know. Alright? So yeah, this is what is being explained here. Okay. So basically, this one we are involving two functions. Okay, so one more thing that you all can take note. If you don't want to separate, right, the process pengamilan, kalau kamu tak mau kira satu persatu lepas tu tolakkan antara satu sama lain, you can actually combine them one shot. Mengapa boleh combine? Because they have the same limits. If they have the same limit, right, you can direct take the curve equation minus the straight line equation, then integrate. Kamu akan dapat jawapan sama kalau kamu buat secara berasingan juga. Understand, guys? So you got two methods also to solve the integration. Okay, depend on you lah, which one you prefer to use. Berdasarkan preference kamu. Alright? So, understand? Do you get this formula? So make sure you can combine. Okay, but before you know whether you can combine or not, you must take note. All your area here, semua luas kat sini, adakah dia 100% positive, guys? Yes or no? Is the area under this graph confirm 100% positive? Yes or no? Based on the concept I told you all last time, is based on integrate y dx. Yes, you should get positive value because hard x dan hard y is confirm positive. Okay, so means that modulus no need. Modulus tak perlu. So that means you can direct minus both equation. But if you have modulus, right, you cannot do this. Kalau ada simbol modulus or kalau kamu ada negative area. Okay, this method cannot. This method only apply if both area positive. Alright, so make sure you careful on that part because can easily make mistake kalau kamu tak analisis betul-betul. Alright, okay, so second step, second part. Okay, so this one terbalik. Just now your curve is on top the shaded region. So this one basically we will use area under line minus area under curve. Kita ambil luas bawah garis minus luas bawah lengkung. Alright, so still trapezium ataupun integration untuk garis lurus. Two methods you have. So you choose anything you like. Alright, so until now, are you all clear? Before we try some question, can you all respond a bit? You all so silent lah, like I only talking. Can Okay, good. Okay, guys, we try and see one example. The question is find the area. Guys, when I teach maths, right? Adakah kamu rasa macam boring sangat? Is it boring? Hopefully no lah, because maths the subject is like that. Do you all understand? Tak boring Okay. Because I feel like I never make enough joke with y'all, but very difficult to make joke also over here because the topic is like that. I don't know what joke can make. All right, so just bear with me. All right, it's fun when you understand in my point of view. Okay, never mind. So guys, can you all tell me what is the concept to find the area for this shaded region? You just describe in simple word like what minus what or anything that you all can think. One common mistake, don't tell me you integrate towards this line, guys. Jangan sesiapa kata saya kamekan terhadap paksi ini. Ini bukan paksi tau. Ini adalah garis lurus. So jangan kamu kata kamu kame macam ni. Negatif 2 sampai 3 terhadap garis lurus ni. Salah, we cannot integrate like that. you can only integrate towards y or towards x. Dua pilihan saja, nothing else. Alright? Area under graph minus area of triangle. Okay, let me see. Yes, can. So your concept is area under graph, this whole thing, minus triangle. Okay, so triangle, right? You must be careful a bit. Triangle never cover the whole area yet. Kamu tak cover luas kawasan Tabelorek. So make sure you must get to know this point first. You must find the x-intercept. Cari pintasan x lengkung ni dulu. Okay, then you minus with another region, this one. Okay, so basically the concept is red minus with blue, you minus with green. Okay, I use different color lah, so that you all can understand. So this is how you find the shaded region. Boleh faham guys? Can you get it? Buan, when you will teach us bab 4, because I still I know, that chapter very hard. We're going to finish this one already. This one is the last class already for bab 3. And then one revision. Then I think next week, we will enter bab 4 already. So yeah. Bab 4, right guys, actually is not wajib, you know. Isi Padu also got, we're going to cover, hopefully by today lah. Trials, I think most of everyone is September, I think, if not mistaken. Oh, 26 August. Gambate lah. That's the only thing I can say. No. Everyone different. Guys, any one of you here struggle a lot, chapter 4, permutation, combination. I feel like a lot of you don't like that chapter, right? Banyak tak suka form 5 bab 4. A lot, right? It's okay, I understand your feeling also. Don't worry, I'll try to teach that chapter well to you all. Okay? But that chapter is memang a lot of imagination. So if you really cannot imagine, very hard. Sedikit susah lah. Because that chapter 4 need a lot of imagine skills plus logic thinking. So if you cannot like think logic, right, sangat susah. Yeah, chapter 6 also I know. Chapter 6 and chapter 4 killer. So don't worry, we will cover. Okay, so now we focus back here. Okay, so to find shaded region, okay, first step, we must find, okay, so in this case, right, they use another concept actually. Okay, just now, someone tell me the concept area under curve minus, yeah, I already teach. Is on my YouTube channel already, all the videos. 1 and 2 already done. All right. Okay. So just now people tell me area under curve minus triangle minus the green color region, right? That is one method. Second method, do you all remember guys? We can actually direct minus. Okay, so if you focus here, right? Let's say I just consider this region. Okay guys, can you see this? If I want to find the shaded region, right? Cari kawasan berlorek, saya ambil luas bawah lengkung, area under curve, minus area under straight line. So guys, can you see this? Adakah mereka kongsi had yang sama? Do they share the same limit? Yes or no? For the curve and the line. Is it same limit? Should be same, right? Sama kan? Because exactly the same point. This one is the same point. This one also the same point. So means that saya boleh terus tolak dua-dua persamaan. Can you see this? I direct minus based on the rule just now yang kamu nampak. Then saya buat pengamilan macam biasa. Then you will get the answer. This is faster method. Kaedah lebih pantas. But just now method also can. So don't think that this kind of question only one method. Tak ada satu kaedah saja. There are many methods you can use. As long as you get the correct answer, your method is correct. Okay, don't worry. Kalau kamu tak guna kaedah ni pun boleh. Alright? So can you understand this method? Clear on it? Okay, so one more thing. Why can we use this method, guys? Anyone know? what is the reason we can use this method? If you check and see, now we are integrating towards x-axis. Am I right? Kita kami terhadap paksi x. So check and see. Let's say region A, region B. Okay, so x-axis, nilai y, positif. X-axis, nilai y positif. So guys, kalau nilai y kat sini positif, adakah modulus penting? Do I need to use modulus, guys? Respond a bit. Modulus penting or not for this kind of case? Yes, it's a curve minus line. So do I need modulus for this kind of question? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, no need. Because your area should be positive based on the concept that I explained just now. A and B, kedua-dua pun positif. Okay? So clear on it? This question? Any problems? If no problem, we go on. Okay. So we see another example. Okay, so they want you to find the shaded region also. Okay. So if you check here, guys, this shaded region, how are you going to find it? Macam mana kamu boleh cari luas kawasan berloreng ni? Can you give some ideas? First step, I must draw something. Saya kena lukis sesuatu. So what should I draw? Come on, guys. Respond a bit. Just share your idea. Wrong doesn't matter. Idea is important. So what is the first thing I must do if I want to find the area? Or you tell me simple concept. Yes, very good. Very good. You draw the trapezium first minus area under graph. Can you all see it, guys? This is trapezium. So you can use rumus trapezium minus luas bawah lengkung. Okay, got the steps is there. I will show. Okay, guys. So one more thing. Is modulus important here? Adakah kita perlu guna modulus untuk soalan macam ni? Okay, we check and see ya. So this case, we are integrating towards x-axis. Kita kami terhadap paksi x. So we check and see. Region A, region A, region B. Suddenly want to change already. Okay, guys. X-axis means we use the x limit, correct? So we check and see. X, Y, Y positive. Okay, X, Y, Y positive. So is modulus important? Adakah dia penting? Yes or no? Kedua-dua kawasan A dan B pasti positif dah. If positif, why you need modulus? Tak perlu modulus dah kalau positif. Okay guys, always remember, if you get Y positive, no need modulus. Okay, so you can direct count the area menggunakan trapezium minus area under curve. Hopefully you get the point lah. Kamu dapat apa yang saya sampaikan tu. Alright, so you can see the step here. Okay, so first step, you must find the point of intersection. Cari titik persilangan. Why? Because I need to know this value is -2, this value is 3. Then only I can count the area. Am I right? For luas trapezium. Okay, so then after you get the x, you can start to kame. So guys, do you see that over here they never use modulus? Mereka tak guna modulus kan? Mengapa? Sebab konsep itulah yang saya terangkan tadi. Because your y is positive, so no need modulus. So direct minus both equation. Kamu boleh terus tolak dua-dua persamaan. So then kamu terus dapat jawapan selepas kami run. Understand, guys? For those asked the step just now, this is the step. So any question? Should be okay, right? Guys, after I teach until now, right? Senang tak pengamalan? Is it easy? Yes or no? Because people always complain, say pengameran sangat susah lah, apalah. Senang tak guys, pengameran? After you learn today's lesson. Easy, right? Can you all comment a bit? Easy or not? Macam mana if bentuk bawah rantau tu silinder? Silinder, usually dia takkan bentuk silinder punya. Untuk luas, kita takkan tengok silinder. Yes, cylinder is under volume actually. Okay, so we will learn that soon. Volume is coming. Okay, so we go on next question. All right, so this question, guys, how do I get the area? Can anyone tell? This one got one method I can think so far. So basically, the method is I can draw something like this. Saya lukis macam ni. Alright. So can you see guys, how to get the shaded region? Saya akan ambil luas segi empat sama, area of square, minus with area under curve, luas bawah lengkung. Okay. So you got two lengkung kat sini. So kamu kena kamekan secara berasingan untuk kawasan biru tu. One of it, you integrate towards Y. Another one, you integrate towards X. So you got two different area you must count for unshaded yang tak berlorek. Alright? Clear guys? Can see it? So this is the concept to get the area. Okay, so guys, in this case, adakah dua-dua luas ni positif? Yes or no? Yes, confirm positive lah. Because Y is positive, X also positive. Semua nilai positif. So definitely luas positif lah. Okay, so direct kami tak perlu guna modulus because positif. So kamu boleh, okay, kat sini mereka guna konsep berbeza. Okay, they use different concept, but it's okay. If you want to do separate, also can. Kat sini mereka combine. They direct combine the two equation. Okay, means that they take luas. Okay, I see their concept already. Okay, this one is a easier method, guys. Saya tak nampak yang ni pun. Okay, so if you focus here, right, kamu lihat lengkung yang ni dulu. This one over here. Okay, guys. This is the concept. Red and blue. Can you see, guys? Kamu ambil kawasan biru, tolak merah, kamu akan dapat kawasan berlorek. Blue minus red equal to purple. So means that kamu boleh combine dua-dua persamaan ni. Kamu tolak sahaja. Sebab area tu positif. So modulus tu tak perlu. You can direct combine the two equation. Understand? So the area direct you get 5/12 unit square. Okay? Understand guys? For this question, I just try to expose you to different question lah. Kamu tengok berbagai-bagai jenis soalan dulu supaya minda kamu fresh. Okay? Can I proceed? So silent you all. Semua kat sini introvert ke? Rasa macam introvert saja. Okay, we go on. Okay, next slide. Okay, so this one, my teacher told me top minus bottom. Yes, anyway also can actually. Depend how you see it. Okay, it can be curve minus line, top minus bottom, any concept. As long you know how to apply it. Alright? Okay, so for this one, I will skip first. We will bincang another day, especially next week lah for revision. Okay, so I want to direct go to volume with you all. Okay, guys. So now we start on the volume. Which one? Teacher didn't explain. Bahagian mana? Apa yang saya terangkan ke? Oh, just now question. Rantau berlorek. Tak tahu? Guys, usually at maths, right? Cikgu tak guna buku teks kan? Am I right? Everyone here. Does your teacher teach from textbook at maths? Ataupun guna lain resources? Usually other resources, right? Yes. But you see that I teach from textbook 100% because textbook still important. SPM usually the question they will still look back at the textbook. So textbook question is very important. That's why I discuss with you all besides other question. Okay? Because every single textbook question you must know how to do. Kena tahu sebab dia boleh keluar. Alright? Okay. So now we come back to the volume. Okay guys. Look very complex, right? Volume. Dia nampak sangat kompleks. Kamu lihat wajah ni. Okay. Very simple. I use another page to explain to you all. Okay guys. So about volume, right? Integration. We got two parts actually. Same for area. If you still remember, area, kamu kamikan x dy or y dx. Am I right? So volume, also same concept. Kamu kamikan x dy and also y dx. You can integrate towards x-axis or y-axis. Dua-dua pun boleh. Okay, but what is different? Apa perbezaan dia? Okay, so now we see on volume. So two questions they like to ask. Volume of revolution. You will see this question. Isi padu kisaran kalau tak silap dalam biang. And also one more is volume generated. Have you all seen this, guys? This is how they'll ask you, right? This one is isi padu janaan. Okay? Okay. Both of these mean the same thing. Kamu kena cari isi padu sahaja. Dua-dua sama. Okay, but take note, isi padu kamu putarkan. Am I right? You are rotating the diagram. Kamu tengah putarkan wajah. So guys, when you have rotation, what do you have? Can you all tell me? Bila kamu putarkan sesuatu, kamu akan dapat apa? Apa kuantiti itu? Siapa tahu? You will get an start with letter A. Yes, kamu akan dapat sudut. You will get an angle. Because rotation definitely got angle. Am I right? Common sense. Whether 90 degree, 180 degree, 360 degree. So in SPM, question for volume integration, usually 360 degree ataupun 180 degree. So kamu kena tahu macam mana nak buat. 90 darjah agak rare. Usually won't come out. Usually 360 or 180 darjah untuk kira isi padu pengamiran. Okay? So guys, formula. Formula very important untuk isi padu. Okay guys. So people will tell lah, okay, volume, the formula is something like this. Pi BA y square dx. Okay guys. Kamu semua akan hafalkan rumus ni. Am I right? All of you here memorize this formula. Correct? Have your teacher tell you why the formula is like this? Adakah cikgu bagi tahu kenapa rumus dia macam ni kat kamu? Yes or no? Or your teacher say just use it. Okay. Now I explain to you. Okay? You got the point? Okay, I explain to you. Okay guys, first thing, kalau kamu bandingkan rumus luas dengan isi padu, rumus luas dia macam ni saja. Am I right? So try to see the difference guys. Tengok perbezaan dia. Ada dua perbezaan ketara. Two major difference. Okay, first difference. We are going to talk about the pi. Okay, so first thing, mengapa ada pi? Can anyone answer me? Why isi padu formula kena ada simbol pi? Anyone can answer me? Why should I add a pi? No, it doesn't mean cylinder only. Dia boleh pelbagai bentuk. So what is the general thing? Mengapa kena ada pi? Bukan. Pi tak tunjuk sudut. Anyone? Try and see. Some more. I want you all to think. Saya nak kamu fikir, mengapa kena ada simbol pi bila kira isi padu pengamiran? Yes, that's the answer. Remember guys, pi merujuk kepada bulatan. Guys, common sense. Bila kamu putarkan sesuatu, tak kira apa-apa bentuk dia. When you rotate something, regardless of the shape, when you rotate, kamu akan dapat bulatan. Am I right? When you rotate something, definitely you have a circle. Am I right? Common sense. So when you have a circle, mesti kena ada simbol pi. Because pi show you circle. Understand? And then now I tell you, why area don't have pi? Anyone know? Kenapa luas tak ada pi? Sebab luas kita tak putarkan. We do not rotate the area. Area is 2D. Volume is 3D. Volume 3D means kita putarkan. Rotation. So they got circle. Kita ada bulatan. Understand? So that's why make sure you add symbol pi for volume. Because you will always get a circle. Tak kira apa bulat, tak kira apa bentuk dia. Okay? Okay, second question. Why got y square? Kenapa isi padu nilai y kena kuasa 2, tapi luas hanya y? What is the reason? Anyone know? Try to think and see. Why must we put y square? No, it's not that concept. Okay, so basically, the general concept is, guys, we talk logic now lah. Compare area and volume. Cuba bandingkan luas dengan isi padu. Mana akan bagi nilai lebih besar? Which one will give a larger value? Area or volume? For anything lah, any object. Luas akan lebih besar ataupun isi padu lebih besar? Yes, volume is bigger. So guys, kalau saya maintain y kat sini, kamu rasa isi padu tu akan lebih besar ke dari luas? Shouldn't be, right? Sebab dia macam sama sahaja. So to make it different, untuk gandakan nilai dia, to make the value much bigger, kita letak kuasa 2 kat sini. Do you all understand? Because y kuasa 2, nilai dia akan bertambah. Am I right? That's why volume akan greater daripada area. So that's why kita guna y kuasa 2. Understand now? Do you get the concept? Why the formula is like that? So now you will understand the formula di. Kenapa macam tu? Other than that, everything maintain the same. So just remember pi and y square. Okay, and also terbalik lah. Okay, so now about the 360 and 180 thing. Okay, so if 360, what does it mean, guys? Can you all explain to me? 360 darjah tu maksud apa? What is the meaning behind it? Kalau saya putarkan, yes, okay, putaran lengkap, complete rotation. If 180 degree, apa maksud dia? Yes, half rotation only. Okay guys, common sense. If 360 degree, you will get the full volume. Am I right? Isi padu penuh. If 180 degree guys, what will happen kepada isi padu? Kalau sudut dia setengah, maksudnya isi padu juga setengah. Am I right? So you will get half of full volume. So always remember, kalau soalan tell 180 degree rotation, bahagikan jawapan kamu dengan 2. Yang ni tak perlu bahagi 2. Understand? So a lot of people forget this step, you know. If 180 degree, must divide your answer by 2. Okay? Kena bahagi jawapan. Jangan lupa. Okay? Are you all clear, guys? So this is basically what you will learn lah for isi padu. Everything is here already. Okay? So now, basically, it's the concept only. Okay, so one thing you notice here, guys. Can you see everything here? You have a circle. Kamu ada bulatan. Untuk semua bentuk ni. Can you see it, guys? So that is why kita ada simbol pi. Can understand? Because of the circle. So always remember, you rotate anything, you will get a pi. Okay, that's the main concept. Okay, so one more thing. How to know what shape will form? Macam mana nak tahu bentuk apa akan datang? Okay, I use another slide so that you understand better. Okay, you see this, guys? Let's say I got a straight line. Saya ada garis lurus. Saya nak putarkan garis lurus ni pada paksi X. I want to rotate the straight line on the X-axis. So can anyone tell me what shape you will get? Kamu akan dapat bentuk apa? Cuba bayangkan, saya nak putarkan yang ni. I want to rotate. Very good. Okay, you will get a cone. Why cone, guys? You can see. Can you imagine, guys? This is the rotation. Ini adalah putaran dia. When you rotate, right, basically, this is your axis. Paksi kamu. So anything that you rotate is like a reflection, pantolan. So from here, you will reflect, become here. Can you all see? Dia macam pantolan sahaja. The circle, bulatan tu adalah sebab putaran, the rotation. Okay, rotation give you the circle. So this one is rotation. So you get the circle. Okay, understand? Until here, are you all clear? So guys, now I ask you one important question. If I want to find the volume for this, what can I do? Simple method. Kalau saya nak cari isi padu ni, I can use the formula V equal to 1 over 3 pi r square h. Isi padu cone. Because this is a cone. So kamu tak perlu guna pengamiran pun. No need to use integration. Because you can direct use the cone formula. But make sure you know the formula lah for cone. Kena hafal rumus ni. Okay? Okay, I give you a second situation. You tell me whether I can use the formula for cone or not. Okay, guys. I give you this line. Can I use V equal 1 over 3 pi r square h? Yes or no? What do you all think? Boleh ke tak? Very good. Remember, only can use for straight line, garis lurus. Because kalau kamu putarkan yang ni, kamu akan dapat something like this. So guys, is this a cone? This is not a cone. So kamu tak boleh guna rumus ni. So this one you can only use integration. Kaedah pengamiran sahaja boleh. Understand, guys? Are you all clear? So make sure you differentiate. Kamu kena tahu bila boleh guna rumus, cone atau pengamiran. Okay, so this is the example. Got second example also. Okay, let's say another example. I give you something like this. Okay, guys, what shape will I get from here if I rotate towards x-axis? Kalau saya kami terhadap paksi x. Kalau graf macam ni. Can you all imagine and see? What shape will I get? Anyone? Bukan. You won't get cuboid. Cuboid macam ni tau. Cuboid is like this. Yes, you will get a cylinder. Correct. So macam mana cylinder? Kamu pantulkan, then you rotate. Magic. Boleh nampak tak? So this is how you get a cylinder. This is the rotation. Pengamiran. Putaran. So you can direct use the formula for cylinder. Because you rotate, kamu tengah putarkan. So dia macam pantulan. Okay, this one you must imagine a bit lah. Okay, katakan paksi X dia macam ni. I show you one example. Okay guys, got water bottle here, right? Okay, assume my water bottle like this. Okay, kamu bayangkan Firas, saya nak putarkan ni. I want to rotate. Boleh nampak tak? Dia sebenarnya dipantulkan. Can you see? Dari sini sampai sini. Pantulan, right? Sama konsep macam tu. Yes. Bila saya terangkan macam ni, baru faham. Am I right, guys? This is a perfect example to show. Use your water bottle. Then you can understand. Okay? So yeah, some people they visualize. Okay. Okay. So make sure you all know the formula for cylinder. Then only you can calculate. Okay. But let's say the line change again. Garis tu berubah. Okay, maybe let's say the line like this. Okay. Can you all predict and see what is the shape you will get? Apa bentuk kamu? So kamu pantulkan, then putarkan. So is this a cylinder, guys? Adakah saya boleh guna rumus ni? Yes, cannot. So make sure straight line. Random shape. There is no name. Okay, tak ada nama. So we cannot use this formula. Yes. So that's why kita guna pengamilan. Guys, I hopefully you all can appreciate the contribution of mathematician lah, guys. Because not every shape is perfect. Am I right, guys? Bukan semua bentuk adalah sempurna. Maybe you might not get perfect cylinder or perfect cone like this. So guys, cuba bayangkan, macam mana saya nak tahu isi padu kalau saya ada bentuk macam ni? Saya tak ada formula. I don't know formula. So, that's why the mathematician invent integration supaya kamu masih boleh cari isi padu tanpa formula by using this concept. Can you all see that, guys? This is the importance of integration. If you don't have a common shape like cone, cylinder, you cannot find volume. Kamu tak boleh cari isi padu. So that's why we have integration to find volume as the second method. So that's the importance lah. Kamu belajar pengamilan ni untuk cari isi padu. Okay? So can you guys understand up till here? So the formula is all like this lah, exactly the same. All right, like I explained to you. This one is for y-axis. So y-axis pun sama. Kamu pantulkan sahaja. Just reflect. Exact same concept. Okay. So until here, do you understand for today's lesson? I think next week kita akan continue lah semua example so that you all can understand better. All right. So can you all like comment a bit? Do you understand about integration better today? Boleh faham lebih baik? Good. Okay, as long as you understand better, it's a good lesson already. Yes. So make sure you can score this topic lah, because this topic banyak markah. Yeah. So hopefully if you have other friends that need help also, you can share also. If they like struggle at maths, maybe I can try to explain in a better way, maybe in a way that textbook never teach. Okay, so that they can understand also, especially this part over here, this one. Textbook never explain this one to you, how to know which area positive, which area negative. They just ask you hafal only, remember. But the concept behind it is this one. These two slides, right, guys, is very important. If you bawa this slide to the exam, right, you can answer all the question already, because you know which area positive, which area negative for any kind of graph. Every single graph is here. Okay. So yeah. Any other question that you have?